Okay, that is the world's slowest monorail. You might be able to see it creeping just a little bit. Now it's moving a little more. There's a squirrel on the track, and the female driver doesn't want to run the squirrel over. So she's just inching along. Oh, I can see the squirrel. It's not going to pick up on video, but I can totally see the squirrel. And so that's what we're waiting for. And hopefully the squirrel will jump off, go down a pylon or something. But otherwise, we're in for the world's longest monorail ride.
You lay down.
Yeah, come on!
Why is the bird?
Oh, look at him panting.
He's so tired.
This is exhausting.
You have anything to throw at it? Make it go down?